Okay, so the question is, how do you use logarithmic differentiation to find y prime for this function? I rewrote this using x's instead of thetas, just easier to write. Realize that you could do this without logarithmic differentiation. You could actually say y prime equals 1/4, that thing in the parentheses, reduce the exponent by 1, then multiply by the derivative of the inside, but you'd have to use the quotient rule. And when you took the derivative of the numerator, you'd have to use the product rule. Good luck on keeping that all straight. Okay, so that's where logarithmic differentiation comes in handy. And you have to take the natural log of both sides, which I did here, and then use properties of logarithms to simplify this side. We can move the 1/4 down front. It's called the power rule, or power property for logarithms. And then we have the natural log of this expression. And additional properties of logarithms say the log of a quotient is the log of the numerator minus the log of the denominator. And then the log of a product, which we have in the numerator, is the log of the first factor plus the log of the second factor. And now we're ready to take derivatives. A lot easier. The derivative of ln of y is 1/y times y prime. That's what I've shown right here. And then I'll leave the 1/4 out front. The derivative of this term is 1/4x times the derivative of the inside, which is 4, plus the derivative of this term is 1 over the sine of x times the derivative of the inside, which is the cosine of x, and minus the derivative of ln of 1 minus cosine of x is 1/1 minus cosine of x times the derivative of the minus cosine of x, it turns out, which is minus a minus sine of x or plus sine of x. And what you do from here could be different. 4/4x reduces to 1/x. Cosine of x over sine of x, you could write as cotangent of x if you want to. And here's that final term. And now here's the key to isolate y prime. We have to multiply both sides by y. And that's what this is right here. Okay, so it's 1/4 times y times what we had in the brackets up here. Okay, that's one way to write the formula for y prime, which is a formula for slopes of tangent lines to the graph of that function right there. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.